What's up, folks? Today we're heading to Dyment's pumpkin patch. I'm gonna show you guys what it's like. They have a lot to do here. It's actually quite cloudy right now, as you can see, pretty overcast. I'm here with baby Apple, my son, my wife, and my friend Jenny behind me. We're gonna check out the pumpkin patch and see what it's like. So we're just coming up to it right here. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see what I can see. Let's go. So it looks like it's $16 per person to get in, and they only take cash or debit. And this is the entrance right here. All right, this is what it looks like when you walk inside the pumpkin patch here. It's a whole farm. Check it out. They have a little bouncy castle over here for the kids. On this side, they have the Dyment's ghostly mini putt, so you can do mini putt here. There's some slides down there for the kids as well. So it's mostly family-friendly stuff here. They also have a wagon ride in the distance, which we'll show you more on that later. They do have porta potties. If you need to use the washroom, they have those here as well. It is 16 plus tax per person. They didn't charge for my daughter or my son. Kids 2 and under are free. We're gonna start off with the bouncy castle here. I'm gonna get my daughter to go in there. Then we'll make our way around and show you guys what else they have here to do at Dyment's Pumpkin Patch. They also have a separate restaurant and a separate market where we can go and get coffee, food, and do some shopping. Let's check all that out, and I'll bring you guys with us. This is the kids' play area here. They have some slides, photo opportunities at those sunflowers, and they have some swings as well. And that's just in the little valley below the mini putt area. We're heading down into the food area here. There's a pizza patch over here where you can get some pizzas, pies. Over here they have a theater, it looks like. In the distance here, there's a spook hut and a snack bar. You can see this is the cafeteria area where you can sit and eat. Just over here is a food truck. Cheeseburger will run you $11.99. And I've stumbled upon the coffee shop area here. They have a little cafe here. Let's see what kind of pastries they have. We got some butter tarts, carrot cakes, apple fritters, got some fudge brownies. And this is right in the heart of the cafeteria area here at Dyment's Pumpkin Patch and Farm. All right, peeps, you can see the wagon ride there just going off into the farm. This is where you would line up to get onto the wagon ride. All the way in the back over here, they have a corn maze, so you can circle through cornfields through a maze, which is pretty cool. It looks like they do have animals here as well, just down this way. This is the straw fort. It's just big bales of hay, and the kids can run around and swing and do all that stuff. This is pretty cool. Definitely very family friendly. And there's pumpkins everywhere, as you can see. Let's go take a quick look at these animals, see what they got over here. I did get myself a coffee, by the way, about $3.25 for regular coffee. They also have hot apple cider, hot chocolate, and so on. Over here they have a pond, some ducks, and then some more animals around here. Doesn't seem like they have too many animals, so we're gonna head back towards the wagon ride area. We're gonna hop on a wagon ride. Let's go. And Jenny has gone ahead of me here, and we're heading down towards the falls right now. See what this is like, so that you can make a decision if you want to come here or not. Let's go on this little mini hike and see if this is worth it. Let's go. There's a little creek to the right of me right here. This is another vantage point of Dyment's farm. It's a pretty huge property, as you can see. You can come here on the weekend, hang out, bring your kids. A lot of families here. The parking lot was pretty full when we got here. For $16.50 plus tax, I'm not sure if it's gonna be worth it, but that will depend on you. It is something to do and definitely an experience. The trees are also changing colors right now as we are in fall. We are almost at the falls now. Let's see what it looks like. I think this is where the falls would have been, but right now it is dry, so there is no water. Let's make our way back up. As we come up from the falls, which is just to my right here, we are up on the hill right now, and this is basically the route of the wagon that takes us around the property. We're at the pumpkin patch now, which is the main attraction here at Dyment's Pumpkin Patch, as it's called. Check it out. It's like a world of pumpkin over here. Amazing. So many. It's a whole lot of pumpkins, guys. I'm gonna go in here so you can see what they look like closer. We did come to a pumpkin patch last year at the Apple Orchard, which is on Highway 6 going from like Burlington towards Guelph, Ontario. But we kind of came late in the season, so there wasn't much pumpkins. Compared to that, this is crazy. Look right behind me here. There's a variety of pumpkins everywhere, all sizes too. It's pretty cool. You can purchase pumpkins if you want for carving, and I guess you can eat it too, make pies and all that stuff. Back in my country, we use pumpkins for other stuff, but here they use it mostly in Halloween for carving and so on, and they do, you know, make pumpkin spice pastries and so on. Yeah. Dorothy and my daughter over there. This here is where they would have had their sunflower farm. And the sunflowers would have been in full bloom a few months back, but now they're all almost dead. They're all dead, to be honest. That's it for the season for sunflowers. You'll have to check back next year if you want to see this. They still got the pumpkins in the background there going, and just up the road here, adjacent to the sunflower fields, they have the corn maze. So a bunch of corn trees, and we're gonna check that out shortly and show you guys what that's like. Let's go. Heading inside the corn maze now. Let's see what they got. We're heading back down to the patch just by the corn maze here, which we checked out earlier, to go grab our own pumpkins. We're gonna grab 3 pumpkins. Let's go. Alright peeps, this is going to wrap it up for our video here at Dyment's Pumpkin Patch and Farm. Great experience, to be honest. It was a great thing to do with my family. The kids loved it. We went on the wagon ride, we checked out the pumpkin patch, checked out the animals on the farm. It's pretty cool. Sweet Pea was playing a bit in the playground area. They have a little mini bouncy castle that the kids can walk through, have fun. Yeah. Great stuff to do here. It's $16 per person, so keep that in mind. Kids 2 and under are free. They don't take credit cards. They actually do take credit cards, but if you pay with credit card, you are gonna have to pay a $1.09 fee on top of it. Keep that in mind. Otherwise, bring cash or a debit card to pay to get in. Would I recommend it? I'd say if it's worth it for you to pay $16 per person for your family, then definitely come check it out. It is fun for the kids, so it's something to do on a weekend, especially here in the fall. It is slated to rain in like another 30 minutes, so we're gonna head out before the rain catches us. Definitely check out some of my other videos on the channel and leave a like on this video if you like this type of content, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. We are gonna see you in our next video. Take care guys. Peace out from Dyment's Pumpkin Patch here in Hamilton, Ontario. Cheers guys. Check out the haunted house. Let me know how it is.
preference, guys. I dislike haunted houses, so I have no business being in here. No people touching you in this one, guys.